Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I am standing in front of my pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2013 Dodge Avenger. Now this vehicle has great gas mileage and has never been in an accident. It is the SE model that comes custom with alloy rims. Now this specific vehicle has 70,000 miles on it, which is actually 14,000 miles below market average. Now, when we get in this vehicle, we can see that we do have our dual cloth seating. We have cruise control. We have a single disc MP3 radio, and even a spacious back seat. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. You guys have a great day.